As you open the door to new opportunities, to new horizon, to a new day, the world is asking for more. It's asking for new ways of doing things. It's asking for new ingenuity. It's asking for new approaches. And it's asking for a new beginning. As a leader in your company, what do you bring? What do you bring that is different from what was done before? What strategies will you use? If so, what things will you change in your company? What mindset will you have to battle? Or what changes do you have to make or adjust to in order to get to the path and the road that you're trying to get? There is a window of opportunity, but the door is clearly open to those who want to make changes. Every day, the door is open for brand new opportunity, brand new way of thinking. But do you take any of them? How do you know which one to take? How do you know the people that are working with you and their capabilities for taking you where you need to be? Hi, I'm Andrew Guy, author of the new and exciting book, The Anatomy of the Kingdom and the Power of Community. Today, I want to talk to you about your leadership skills and your leadership style. As a matter of fact, everyone is endowed with a skill. Everyone has the ability to do. Everyone has the potential to transform their organization, their environment, and as a matter of fact, their world. But did you know that all the leadership styles that are available to you today, there is one that works for everyone across the board? Yes, I know. Many will say, hey, I lead this way, I lead that way. This is my way of doing it. But did you know that there is one leadership style that works for everyone? I call it the universal leadership approach. And it is in this book. I would encourage you to pick up a copy of this book, The Anatomy of the Kingdom and the Power of Community. This book is a must-read for you this year. As a matter of fact, if you're into leadership or leadership is in you or you plan to lead any organization, this book is mandatory in your library. Again, my name is Andrew Guy, author of The Anatomy of the Kingdom and the Power of Community. I want to work with you to help transform your organization, to put you on the path where you're supposed to be. Because remember, the windows may be closed, but the doors of opportunity are open to you. Thank you for listening to me. I want you to visit me online. My web address is andrewguyspeaks.com. Again, andrewguyspeaks.com. I would like for you to connect with me. You can find me on Twitter at Andrew Guy Speaks. I'm also on LinkedIn, Andrew Guy Speaks, and I'm also on Facebook. So yes, I do socialize on social media, and I would love to connect with you there. If you'd like to book me to come and speak to your organization or your leadership team, please reach out to me at support@andrewguyspeaks.com. Again, that email address is support@andrewguyspeaks.com. And remember, run over to Amazon, fly over to Amazon, drive over to Amazon, hike over to Amazon. I don't really know how you're going to get there, but whichever way you decide to take, get over to Amazon and pick you up a copy of The Anatomy of the Kingdom and the Power of Community. It will transform your life. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.